guys, dito kami sa Five Below. Titingin kami ng kung ano-ano. Kasama ko yung mga boys. So this is like Toy Story. I mean Toy Store. What? Hilig sa earbud Cheetos. Ang nakakatawang for him. Dami palang anik-anik dito sa Five Below. Guys, palabas na kami sa Five Below. Dadaan kami ng Trader Joe's. Do you guys wanna go to Trader Joe's after you put that in the car? Guys, punta na kami ng Linwood. Lamig dito sa amin. Ayun ang Trader Joe's. May Trader Joe's na pala dito. Hindi ko alam. I will be back. No, I just want you to be careful when you close the door. That's all. Let's go that way. So guys, dito kami sa H Mart. Tingin tayo ng... you just walk in front of me. Tingin tayo ng... panluto for weekly. Tapos gusto daw nilang kumain ng Korean chicken eh. So, dali natin sila dito. Ang lamig guys. So, dito kami sa Linwood. Ayun ang H-Mart. Lamig. Go get a cart. So gusto yung H-Mart. Go get a cart. Titingin ako dito ng isda. Hindi naman isda, mga panggulay, ganun. Tayo. Mahal. Put this in the bag. Isa lang nito. Sige tayong baggy beans. 281. Hanap tayo ng mura. 224. And then sayote. May sayote ba dito? Uy. Ito na lang. Ay, parang hindi na maganda. Sisira na. Ito sayote. Bili tayo ng... Get me a bag, boys. So, ito guys is $1.99 a pound. Bili tayo ng dalawa. Or tatlo. Here. And then, what else? Green peas. And then, what do you guys want? Daming tao dito. Oh my God. Ang daming tao dito guys na nakakaya mo kasi wala ng space. Ay, kailangan ko ng kalabasa. $5.49. Ito na lang. Pang ano to eh. Wag masisira. Sa ano ka na nabibili sa Mary's Gift. Naman. Bili tayo doon na. Ito, pechay. Ayan ba ito ng pechay, oh. Pwedeng ilagay ito sa ano. $189 lang. I need squash. Yes. Dahil ano dito, oh, yupon. Hindi na siguro yan. Hey, come on na, boys. Tingin tayong isda. Sobrang dami ng tao. Nakakayamot. Where's their fish? Guys, yung mga ano. I need pork belly. Can you guys push this one? Mahal din, oh. Frozen na kasi dito, guys. Kaya parang hindi rin maganda. Lamig. What is that, Poopy? Let me see. Oh, they sell it for $9, $8. Oh, the smell. Guys, yung favorite kong isda. This is my favorite fish. Smell. But I need like the small one. This one. Ang mahal. Ay, wala yung ulo. Gusto ko yung ulo. How much is the tilapia? Ay, mahal, no? Grabe, mahal ng isda. Sa ano, wing ko, mura lang yan eh. So, sa wing ko na ako bibili. Ang lamig, grabe. Ito, prito tayo na ito. Masarap to sa prito. Ruby, can you get me a bag? Oh, right there. Can you get me a bag? Ruby. Hindi siya nakikinig. Mahal naman. Ito gusto ko eh. Taiwan. Hindi siya smell. Akala ko smell. Tingin tayo dito. It's so cold, boys. Come on. Ha? Hold on, boys, ha? I just want to look at this. Guys, parang kami nasa Pilipinas. May fresh red snapper. Wala sila ng isda na gusto ko. Bakit? Nakakayamot. What's this? Gusto ko pa naman kumain ng isda. Masarap to sa gata. Piling ko to guys. Kasi 198 lang. Ha?
There are sea urchins.
Yeah. Guys, masarap to. Ilalagay ko to sa ano. Siguro isa lang. Ha? Yan, pininda. $2 lang siya eh. This way, bud. Let's go. May hinahanap akong isda eh. Smelt ang tawag dun eh. Smelts. What's this? I'm looking for smelts. Oh, first na ba? Do you want this, Gabe? It's calamaris. Huh?
I'm in there, really.
I'm gonna get it.
Okay.
Sushi, Gabe. Sushi. Do you want? Huh? I'm sorry. You know, musubi. You don't want? Yes, sasarap niya, no? Korean food. Gabe, tofu rice.
I'm fine.
Ayaw niya eh. Ayoko rin eh. Bibimbap.
That's my jacket. No, it's my jacket.
Hala, na-estimate yung line. Kaya pangit bumili dito. Boys, just wait in line. Look, oh. I know. Just wait in line, ha? Ito, masarap tong japchae nila. $6. Baka bumili ako. Pero kasi hindi ko nauubos eh. Kaya ito.
There's water over here.
May tao. Grabe dami. Sarap po. Stir fry chicken. Isda. Hindi na to crunchy. 3.99. Pero malamig na.
Go ahead. Thank you.
Ang dami tao. Guys, mamaya na lang babayad muna kami. Ayun, dalawa. Boys, over here. Over here. Ha? Ha? So guys, ayan lang yung binili ko. Tingnan natin kung magkano lahat yan. Ang daming tao. Aloka.
Pokemon. Okay,
Guys, mura lang yung binili ko. Naka, ano ko. 28.32. So, mura lang siya. Tingin tayo doon kung ano mabibiling pagkain. Hindi ko na dadalhin si Booby sa loob ng mall. Sumakit siya ko eh. Ha? Yeah, might. Daming tao dito guys sa ano. Oof. Oh, look, oh, there's pho.
Ice cream.
Where? Yeah.
Alright, I guess we'll see.
Can I get the half 8 piece? The whole chicken? The golden.
Alright. Anything else?
No, that's all.
Is it to go or dine?
To go.
Your total is 21.
What do you want?
To get
Okay, let's see if we can get rice. Come on. Huh? Do you want? You want to? You're thirsty? Then we can. Yeah, we can get Coke. Let me get some rice. So guys, I think I'm gonna get that. Kasi may white rice sila dito. Para makakain muna kami dito sa Masarap. Hi! What is this with the fish? Oh, it comes with a fried fish? It comes with a fried fish? Oh, okay. Can I get the original beef? Just mild. White rice. Huh?
egg or goat.
Yes, egg. And can we get...
No, it's not all
You don't want?
Not well.
Okay. And that one comes with the rice, right? I mean with the fish. Okay. Okay, wait guys. Thank you. So guys, kukuha muna kami ng soda sa vending machine. You want the soda vending machine, right? No, guys. Kukuha muna tayo ng soda. Which one will be over here?
Cherry Coke.
Cherry Coke?
I'll share with Gabe.
How do I do it? B1. B1. Oh, okay. Hold on to this like this. I'll order mine. Like this. No, don't tilt it. Just like this. Guys, try natin ako naman. I want Coke. A1. So, bababa yung ako. That's my Coke. So, are you sure you want to share with your brother?
Yeah, I'll share with him.
Okay. And then we'll just eat here. Hey, Gabe. Do you want to sit down there or here? Let's sit down here. Anyways. Kain muna kami. Pero inaatay ko lang yung chicken namin. Come sit down right next to me.
Remember I wasn't gonna sit down?
Ha? Okay.
Bro, you won't believe what I got. What'd you get?
Waiting kami guys. 15 minutes yung pagkain ni Kay. Ay, ng boys. Oh! You guys are not gonna have rice though. Is that okay? Or you guys want extra rice? No?
Look at this.
So guys, yung dalawa kakain ng na
Oh my god.
Korean barbecue chicken. And then ako yung tofu. Pero makikishare na rin ako ng Korean barbecue chicken kasi
Never planned to,
in order
brother.
ko half chicken eh. So, madami siya. Makikishare na lang ako sa kanila. And then baka bukas na lang ako magluto para at least meron din ako baon sa work
I
tomorrow.
hope I get like a scattergun of pork.
Anyway. Sa Monday, birthday na ni Boo. Sabi ko, next week ko na siya.
Like 2 days.
Yeah, in 2 days. Kasi sila guys. Ito yung mga, parang Chinatown to. Ewan ko, basta H-Mart ang tawag dito sa amin. So yun, ngayon na lang uli kami napadpad dito. The vibrator number. Did you get it?
The number of vibrators, Mangy Majiggy?
So guys, meron ako na ito. So sabi ko,
Australian.
hindi kami palagi nandito ha, bihira lang. I think that's yours, Bobby. Oh, never mind. Never mind. I thought it was ours. So guys, hindi kami mahilig pumunta dito.
How are you not getting Australian?
Kasi mga 30 minutes, or tamad lang ako mag-drive. Kaya hindi kami pumunta dito.
It takes patience, brother.
Pero pupunta kami doon, kakain kami doon.
It will
Dito
come to
sa
you when the
barbecue
time has
chicken.
come.
In-order ko yung may fish eh. Meron ako in-order yung fish na may tofu. Mamaya makikita niyo. So I ordered the golden chicken. You guys wash hands before you guys eat. So guys fun fact. Kumain muna kami sa Chick-fil-A. Nag-Starbucks sila. And then,
Me too.
ngayon kakain na naman ng chicken and rice. Lakas kumain. So mamaya dadaan kami ng week ko kasi kailangan ko silang bilan ng pagkain nila for 1 week.
Actually, not gonna lie, the Blutsauger Australian is kind of
Tapos bibili pa ako ng ibang ingredients para may ulam din sa bahay para makapagluto yung lola ko.
But then, you know what I wish? I wish that somebody
Ganda ng
kind
kulay ng
enough would
buhok
just give
guys.
us a free
Sa
Australian.
Pilipinas ko pa ito pinakulay eh. Actually, binlitch niya yung buhok ko para... Yung unang kulay kasi sa akin, ang pangit. Para akong, alam mo yung Japayuking hilaw na... Sorry sa mga
remember that
hindi
one
ko wala
YouTuber
akong
when he gave out
pero
Australian?
yung buhok ko parang tanso.
Yeah.
Alam mo yung parang... parang...
Man, girl, I wish.
Yung sa mais, buhok ng mais, ganun ang kinalabasan nung binilid siya yung buhok ko. Then the next day, pinagawa ko uli yung buhok ko kasi hindi ko siya talaga type as in. Ganda naman yung kinalabasan niya. So, ang ganda, diba? Ang ganda ng kulay. Type ko siya. So, yun. So, pinagawa ko sa Pilipinas, hindi ko siya talaga type. Para siya talagang naging buhok ng, ng mais. Ganun ang nangyari. Kaya sabi ko, waiting lang kami sa pagkain ng mga boys, ng chicken nila, tsaka sa chicken ko, and then kakain na rin ako. Stop drinking soda, you're gonna eat. As for for plates.
Not see on.
I don't know who's Isaiah. I thought it's Gabe's friend, Isaiah. I thought, I'm not saying it's your friend.
I mean, that's kind of like, dude.
So guys, mamaya na lang kasi nakakahiya. I know, undercover fries. So, gusto nilang pumunta pero sabi ko next week. How about next week I'll take you?
What, here?
Yeah. I promise next week. I just can't today. Ha? Gusto niyo ng fries, guys? Sabi ko, no. Nakarami na sila today, ha? Ay. So, mamaya na lang. Bye. So, guys, tumutunog na siya. Pipick upin ko na siya.
Hello, guys.
You gotta show me, buddy. Ay, me.
Oh. Look at that, guys. So good. Bye, guys.
Guys, sabi ko kay Gabe, ipakita ko habang kumakain or habang naglalaro.
Why?
Oh, 39 boys, 39. Get an extra plate. Guys, kain muna kami. Ayun na yung sa mga boys. Guys, ito na kami. Well, not really. Hindi pa kami uuwi.
Nabusog ako.
We're gonna go get
Corn dogs.
The boys wanted the corn dogs, so. But guys, ang dami na nakain. Ang dami namin nakain. So we ate Chick-fil-A, right?
Chick-fil-A as a starter because
Yeah.
you're hungry.
Hey, we're eating some chicken, bro.
So we ate Chick-fil-A. We had Starbucks
Starbucks and more chicken.
and
Chicken.
Korean chicken, and
No.
then
We're gonna get the Korean corn dog.
So yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
bro.
hold on.
Looks like we're turning pro.
I'm so full, guys. So mamaya na lang, pag-atin na kami sa Korean corn dog. Ito kami, guys, sa Seoul hot dog.
Sorry, we're
Oh.
currently closed right now at the
Oh.
moment.
What?
Yeah, I know. We're understaffed right now because someone decided to quit the day of. So
Oh.
we have to close early. Sorry about that.
Oh, that's okay.
Gladly. I mean, we're looking for people.
No. Thank you. You too. So guys, I guess the Seoul hot dog, which is the Korean barbecue, Korean hot dog, someone quit. So therefore, they're closing early. That sucks.
I mean, I could join, but like I'm underage.
Yeah, I know.
What's the 14? I'll probably look for a job.
I think I have to be 15 now.
Around 15, 16.
That's okay. I mean, next week we'll come back here. So guys, so we don't come here all the time, like I was telling you guys earlier. Kasi magastos dito. As in magastos. May mga anak ko mahilig kumain. So, kaya yun. Anyway, uwi na kami. So, say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Bubi.
Mabuhay.
Are you guys full?
Yeah.
Okay. So, we're gonna go home, guys, and do laundry and watch my show. I'm gonna edit today, para ma-upload ko na siya para sa inyo later. So, yun lang, guys. So, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and share and follow our video. Thank you. Bye-bye. Guys, dito naman kami sa Evergreen Asian Market. Ang dami namin pinuntahan ngayon. Bibilang ko lang lola ko ng ng Vietnamese sandwich. Ay. Tapos kung ano yung makita ng boys na anit na pagkain. Ay, ang daming tao. Tingin lang kami ng isda rin. Oof. Oh. Oh. Look, oh. Turon. Ha? Guys, dito pwede kang magpaprito ng isda. Did you want your longganisa?
Sure.
Ha?
Sure.
Okay, go get your longganisa. There's this one, oh. This one.
That one?
There's chicken, sweet pork, or spicy one.
Sweet corn.
Okay, or tocino. You want tocino?
It's the casino we always get.
That's the one. Yeah. And then did you want your hot dog?
No, I'm
Why?
tired.
Ha?
I'm tired.
Pagod na siya. Ang tangkad nan, guys. Oh, how much? Hold on, let me just look at some fish. Look at you.
What about it?
Oh, no, me. I just like Usually it's cheaper. It's $1.99. Yeah, go get it. You know what?
Alright, then told us.
I'll just go to 7-Eleven if I want.
Maybe they have ano dito. Let's go to the other place.
Tired, guys. You know.
Huh?
I'm so tired.
Let's hold on to that.
Shut up.
Why? How many pieces? You know what? This should be a wait. I'll just get it tomorrow. Let's go here. So many people.
I don't know. I'm so tired. I just want to go to sleep. Huh?
And you can make
Yeah,
money
but I
for
want to be
that.
a photographer, not a videographer. I'm putting my hands in my pocket. Oh my god.
Are you in line for this? Okay. Yes. Kasi yung sesame balls nila. Masarap din yan. Dati mura yun eh. $3. Ngayon, 7, 8. Nope, that's all.
Okay, thank you.
Sandwich. Yung no, it's just how you make the sandwich. Paano nila ginagawa?
You have
boy. Take.
Hey, come here.
Guys, ang sarap po. Guys, uwi na kami talaga. Pero, before that, before we go home, I bought, sesame balls.
Ew, look at my hair.
Ew! So, I bought sesame balls, guys. This is 5 piece. Here, boys, try this one.
I'm full.
Gabo,
I'm fine.
try it
I'm
first.
fine. I don't
Ayaw
like
nila.
Oh my god, look, my hair is so curly.
Yeah, that.
Look at it. It's short now. How?
Guys, ang sarap. Ngayon, we're gonna go home talaga.
Why is my
Okay.
hair so curly?
I have to, I have to do laundry. Maglaba. Tsaka, linis ng onte, but ano ba yan? Ang daming tao pag Saturday talaga. Kaya nakakawalang gana umalis. Sapado. Alam nang nag-backup ako. Backup din siya. Ay, mga driver talaga.
I know these drivers are annoying.
Just try a little.
I'm
Ayaw nila. So guys, uwi na talaga kami. Bye! See you tomorrow.